In this video, I'll show you how to fix the you can't follow profiles or like pages restriction on Facebook. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Open restriction notification and tap See Why. First, read the restriction information provided by Facebook to understand why you can't follow profiles or like pages. Next, tap on the Request Review option. Enter the text from the image CAPTCHA, then tap Continue. Now, enter your mobile number and tap Send by SMS. You will receive a 6-digit code. Enter the code and tap Continue. After that, tap Account Status to check if your account is back to normal. Finally, try following someone or liking a page. If the process was successful, you should be able to follow profiles and like pages again. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.